If you ever wanted to understand what each surah of the Quran is about in just a few minutes, this series is for you. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to a series that's specifically prepared and meant for kids, parents, teenagers, so pretty much everyone. And the goal is simple. Anyone and everyone should understand what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling them and how they can implement that message in their life. So I have used my book, The Simplest Summary of the Holy Quran, as an anchor, and I have created simple summaries. Now, these summaries are pointers, so you exactly know, for example, the longest surah of the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, what it's talking about, what are the key concepts mentioned in there, what topics are there. So, for example, when you go through the whole surah, you probably are not going to remember everything, right? But when you go back to the summary, these pointers, these multi-level lists in the book are going to help you not only memorize, but revisit and implement what's being said. Especially recommended for parents, so it can help them teach their kids and do the parenting in the proper Islamic way. When I started summarizing the Quran, my goal was simple, that no Muslim should feel disconnected from the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whether you are driving, studying, or taking a break, this book is for you. Just listen, reflect, and connect. Let's begin with Surah Al-Fatiha, the opening that summarizes the entire Quran. You can also explore full summaries and other learning materials like Quranic workbooks for ages 4 to adults on my website, 01scl.com.